Good afternoon, Robert Scribbler with the OBX. Waiting for providing this video for you guys from Rodanthe as some 1 foot waves roll in off North Atlantic Ocean. We've got fair conditions, a little chop on the water, some southwesterly winds blowing in the 10 to 17 mile per hour range and up and down the Outer Banks. 1 foot waves, pretty small. Excuse me. Pretty small as it has been over recent days. And yet, we are looking for the potential for a swell to arrive on Wednesday and Thursday and Friday. So, looking forward to the possibility of some 2 to 3, 2 to 4 foot waves, depending on your location. Could be very nice. So, as for tomorrow, looking 1 foot as well, maybe some 2 footers. Similar conditions to today. And so thank you for joining me. Another brief session of the OBX wave report. I'm gonna do a little pano shot here of the ocean. Look at some houses that are right on the edge here. We did have a house recently collapse into the ocean here in Rodanthe. Beach erosion and sea level rise, compounding factors here in the Outer Banks, and many houses here in Rodanthe, just right on the edge of collapsing into the ocean. One of the things we do here is advocate for the protection of our coastlines by rapidly deploying clean energy being wind, water, solar, and electric vehicles. This will help to stop the rising sea levels, which are driven by fossil fuel burning. Also the more intense storms that we see, as well as various forms of ocean health impacts, such as ocean heat waves and ocean acidification. Primary solution to the climate crisis being that mass deployment of clean energy. We really need to get going with that. Don't need a pause at all in clean energy mass deployment. We need to ramp it up, double down, get all that wind, water, solar, electric vehicles, battery techs, and all the other clean fuels out there. And then after that, we need to look forward to trying to draw down that excess carbon from the atmosphere, which was forced into the atmosphere by fossil fuel burning. And so we're going to need to just work with the Earth system and draw that stuff down so that we don't have devastating impacts for decades to come. All right, so thanks for joining me for this session of the OBX wave report. Once again, as you can see, pretty flat right now, Lake Atlantic situation. There's a few folks hanging out, enjoying a nice dip in the ocean right now. I don't know, you might be able to find a little bump here and there to surf, particularly if you got a longboard or a nice bit of foam there, nice big grovelly fishy kind of board. So but looking forward to some decent waves coming up. I hope you guys do get in the water in the middle of this week and enjoy some good surfing.